Playful Palindromes. Unleash your linguistic creativity. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our exciting series on wordplay. Today, we'll be diving deep into the fun and fascinating world of palindromes. We've already discussed what palindromes are in our previous lessons, and today, we're taking it a step further. We're going to explore how to create your own palindromes. Let's get started. Just a quick recap. Palindromes are words, phrases, or sentences that read the same forwards and backwards, ignoring spaces, punctuation, and capitalization. Examples include race car, Abel was I ere I saw Elba, and Madam, in Eden, I'm Adam. Quite intriguing, right? Creating palindromes can seem challenging at first, but don't worry. We have some handy tips to help you get started. 1. Start simple. Begin with creating palindromic words, then move on to sentences. 2. Symmetry is key. Palindromes are symmetric, like a mirror image. Think about what letter or word could mirror the one you've started with. 3. Word lists can help. Having a list of common palindromic words can be a helpful starting point. 4. Use filler words. Words like a, I, and the can be used to fill spaces and maintain meaning while not interfering with the palindromic structure. Now, let's walk through the process of creating a palindromic sentence. 1. Choose a core word or phrase. This will be the heart of your palindrome. For instance, let's choose Eva, can I? 2. Create a mirror. Mirror this phrase on the other side. Eva, can I, becomes Eva, can I in CAVAE. 3. Fill in the gaps. Now, try to create a sensible sentence using filler words and by slightly adjusting the mirrored phrase. Eva, can I in CAVAE, turns into Eva, can I see bees in a cave? And voila, you've created a palindrome. It's as simple as that. The key to mastering palindromes, like any other skill, is practice. Try to create a new palindrome every day. It can be a word, a sentence, or even a short poem. The more you practice, the easier it will get, and the more creative you'll become. And that brings us to the end of our journey into the world of palindromes today. Palindromes are not just a fun form of wordplay, they're also a great way to flex your creative muscles and improve your English language skills. Remember, the key to success is practice. So, get out there and start crafting your own palindromes. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.